So can you please share some of brief about what is FSM and how it is benefiting your organization?
All right. So FSM is basically field service management. Okay. So I'll start with an example. So you can consider, let's say that you bought an water purifier, right? So once you buy a water purifier, first requires an installation. So you want a service agent to come install their purifier for you.
Right.
Next thing would be maybe you want a regular maintenance. So like every 6 months or every 1 year, I think all of us go through a maintenance of water purifier. I'm sure everybody today has a water purifier, so I'm choosing
Right.
that as an example. And the third thing would be basically break fixes, right? Let's say your water purifier stopped working for some reason. You see, like, the basically the pH value is going down. So anything. So basically, field service is used for that. Any appliance that you want installation, any particular ATMs that you go to, they require the paper change. They want the notes to be service everywhere. So I think this was the most practical module that I've actually experienced or read about, because I could keep an envision. I considered being a water purifier company, right, while going through this module. So the main thing with field service is you see it everywhere. It is really vast, and I think not many clients today have FSM. I mean, I've not come across with any client who has FSM currently. So with that, the module is new, and we have a lot of opportunities available as well with FSM. So yeah.
Okay, great example. And being a you shared the example of water purifier. So that is a
Right.
practical one. Like it's
It's a
already
it's a practical. It's a
okay.
practical one. It's a practical one. I mean, even your modems, your Wi-Fi modems, your water purifier, your refrigerators, your TV, anything you consider, that is a field service. Because
Okay.
you want someone to come and provide an installation, you want someone to come and, come to your site basically. You're coming to a client site, you're not doing it remotely, right? So you
Right.
want to come to the site, do the installation, do the servicing. So that is what field service is all about.
Okay. So what they are capturing, the movement of the agent and everything. Can you please specify
Everything.
that?
Yeah, sure. So let me start with with a brief. So field service is divided in two types. One is external and one is internal. Okay.
Okay.
So internal field service means that the client is basically doing field service for its own devices at its own location.
Okay.
So let's consider a university. So we have a university who have computers. A lot of students are coming in, right? So
Okay.
if let's say one of the computers are not working and the university itself is resolving that, that would be a example of internal. External would be when the field service agent is going to a client's location to perform something, right?
Okay.
So field service has in FSM or ServiceNow you have now agent for mobile application. I think you had a call with Mike in the past. So Mike actually mentioned about this. He had an issue
Right.
with
Yes.
Google
Yes.
Map
Yes.
integration of Now Agent Mobile app. Yeah.
Right.
So what we do is we integrate ServiceNow with Google Maps, and you can basically track the location of the agent. You can basically see what is the rating of the agent, in the past by the other customers provided. So these kind of informations are provided to you. And let's say you want to book an appointment, you can go to portal and book an appointment, right? How do you tell someone that, hey, I had this water purifier and it's no longer working. There is an issue with it. So go to service portal, use the booking an appointment, and basically book whatever like issue you have it with.
Okay.
And we have the other part of field service that includes is the parts transfer. So let's say your purifier is not working, right? And was a sponge or something needs a replacement. How does a field service agent know, right? Or
Okay.
how does he get the part? So we have like part transferring module also up as a part of field service. So basically you create transfer orders, and the agent will transfer the basically the part from one location to another location, which is called as stock rooms in ServiceNow, in
Okay.
ServiceNow town. Yeah, so that's how it goes.
Yep, amazing example and very basic and very simple. Everyone who is
Yeah.
listening, who will listen this, definitely understand and grasp the basic concept of FSM. Thank you so much.
Right.
Amazing.